In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Monday.com. If you've ever made a change you didn't mean to, like deleting an item, clearing a cell, or moving something by accident, the built-in undo option can save you a ton of time. The key is to act quickly, because that option is only available for a short window. I'll walk you through exactly how it works and share a few tips to make sure you don't miss it. First, open the Monday.com board where you're working. You can use any board for this. Just navigate to the place where you're making changes so you can see the update happen in real time. Make sure your page is fully loaded and stable before you start, since the undo prompt appears right after a change is recorded. Now let's look at what happens when something goes wrong. Say you delete the wrong item or clear the contents of a cell by mistake. As soon as that action completes, watch for a small on-screen prompt offering to undo the change. This prompt appears immediately after the action, and it's your fast track to reversing what just happened. Try to keep your cursor nearby and your attention on the screen, because it's easy to miss if you click away or keep moving quickly through other tasks. When you see the undo prompt, click it. That's it. The deleted or changed content will be restored to the state it was in right before your last action. It's a simple one-click recovery that feels almost instant. Just remember, you only have about 60 seconds to use this option. If you wait too long, navigate away, refresh the page, or continue making other changes, the prompt can disappear and you'll lose that quick recovery window. A couple of practical tips to make this smoother. If you're making a series of edits, pause briefly between actions so you can confirm each change and, if needed, undo immediately. Avoid refreshing or switching tabs right after a change until you're sure you're happy with it. If you do undo something, take a second to scan the board and confirm everything looks the way you expect. And if you're collaborating with others, a quick note to your teammates about the revert can prevent confusion, especially if they're watching the same board. That's all there is to it. Open your board, make the change, and if it's not what you wanted, click undo within the time limit to roll it back. With that habit, you'll fix mistakes quickly and keep your workflow moving without missing a beat.